Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. All right, now this case is made by i-Blason. It's the Azure model, Aries Azure model. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. And you can get this case from Amazon. It's the i-Blason Aries case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 6.7 inch. Full body clear rugged bumper case with built-in screen protector. All right, now here's a picture of it right there. You see that, got that blue color to it. For the Pro Max, 2-piece, good protection. All right, now this one will cost you $25. Now you get it in Azure black, dark black, and Mauve. I'm not sure how I pronounced that, but anyway, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in. Pretty standard i-Blason box, cardboard. You get some information right there, drop protection, military standard, and you get some more information in the back. All right, let's pull this out. Okay, you got your thank you card, tell you how to put it on, all those type things. All right, put this to the side. All right, just pull this plastic off, and you see you got that big opening for the big camera that it got on the 14 Pro Max. The camera is huge, man. Let's pull this off. All right, and then when you separate this case, you separate it in this area right here. You see that little opening right there? You put your fingernail in there, you separate it like that. So that's how you take it off when you put it on the phone as well. I know some people have trouble with that, but that's how you remove it, okay? Now, as you can see, it's a 2-piece case. You got the TPU, rubber TPU right there. You got your power button, and you got your opening for your speaker grills right there, and you got your opening for a flap for the charging port, and that can be closed up. Got bolstered corners there, and you got your volume down rocker and a cover for the mute switch. Nothing on top, and you got that big camera opening. You got a lot of protection there, and you got the clear back. All right, lots of padding inside. Okay, now this is the front screen right here, so it's got a built-in screen protector. All right, so that's pretty cool. And you snap this on and to cover the front screen. Let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, so we got the iPhone 14 Pro Max here. I usually put this on first, the front cover. You see that lines up with the cameras right there. All right, put that on first. All right, and then you slide this inside, okay? Now, I'll put this in like that, and then it goes on, and you put it in. That went on pretty easily. So you slide that around, make sure everything is covered up right there. And so there you go. And you got the covers on the ports, and you got your cover for the camera right there, okay? Now, power button works, everything, turn that off. And so you see you got the screen protector right there, protect your screen. You got front protection right there, so it's a pretty protective case. It's not too bulky, but I'm not a big fan of these types of cases, so I won't be using this regularly, but it's a nice case. You got your charging port right here, you can open up. That gets on my nerve too, so I don't like that, having to open that up when I charge. Of course, you use wireless charging mostly, but you know, still don't like to have it. All right, let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. So it picks up wireless charge, no problem right there. Let's see how it works when you stand it up. Okay, so it picked it up there, you hear the animation. And let's lay it down sideways and see what happens. Okay, so not getting a charge in this position. Let's see. So laying it down, in this case, I didn't get a charge there. Okay, so it did pick it up right now when I position it. I repositioned it and I got the animation, so it is charging now. So it will charge in that position as well. So wireless charging worked pretty good. Okay, so that was a quick look at the i-Blason Aries Azure case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 6.7 inch. All right, now it's a good case. You have 360-degree protection. I don't think you can put this in water and expect not to get water on your device, but drop protection is going to be there. All right, I think it's a pretty good case, especially if you're a person that drops your phone a lot. This is good protection for you, plus it's going to protect your screen. All right, now if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.